Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever wanted to share your screen to someone during a FaceTime call on your Mac? Whether you are helping a friend, presenting a document or watching something together, FaceTime's built-in screen sharing feature makes it incredibly easy. In this video, I will show you exactly how to screen share on your Mac using FaceTime. Let's get started. First, let's know the requirements before we begin. You are using a Mac running a recent version of macOS. Both you and the other person are signed in with an Apple ID. You are on an active FaceTime video or audio call. Once everything is ready, you are good to go. Now let's start the FaceTime. First, open your FaceTime app on your Mac. Now call the person you want to share your screen with. I have already created a link. Now wait until they answer the call. Now you can see the call is connected. Move your cursor to reveal the FaceTime controls. You can see here on the bottom. Now you can see here the icon of screen share button. Simply click on this. Now at the top menu bar you can see here the icon of screen share. Now you can see here two options: Windows, share only one application window; Screen, share your entire display. Choose the option that fits your needs. Your screen will immediately start sharing, as you can see here. And when you are finished, click the screen sharing button again on the top menu bar or end the FaceTime call. Your screen sharing will stop instantly. Here are a few quick tips. Close private apps before sharing your screen. Use share windows if you only want to show one application. Keep notifications turned off for a cleaner presentation. Make sure you have a stable internet connection for smooth screen sharing. And that's how you can easily screen share on FaceTime using Mac. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and check out my other Mac tutorials. Thank you for watching.